Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see AutoCompleteTextview control. So before we are going to dive into depth concept, first let's of all understand what is the use of AutoCompleteTextview. So AutoCompleteTextview is similar as edit text, which we use to take an input from the user. The only difference between edit text and AutoCompleteTextview is that AutoCompleteTextview gives you a suggestion for the user typing. For example, take an example of google.com. When we open the google.com and we have started typing characters in the google.com search box, it will give you a suggestion according to your typing. So same AutoCompleteTextview is work. So let's demonstrate. So to demonstrate AutoCompleteTextview, first of all take the AutoCompleteTextview from the palette to your GUI. Set the constraint, because we are using the constraint layout. I'm going to clear this AutoCompleteTextview, setting ID as ACT. You can change as per your requirement. Then I just remove some warnings. Okay, sorry, here for no speakable text present, you have to, because you are cleared this AutoCompleteTextview, for that you have to set the hint property of that AutoCompleteTextview. So we are basically going to develop that AutoCompleteTextview as a search box for the country name. So here I am mentioning enter country name. Okay. Now fix some errors. Okay. So design part is completed. Now we go to coding part. So actually what we are going to do over here, we are statically implement this AutoCompleteTextview demonstration. For that we require the database, and we are going to implement that database by using array. So here I am going to declare one array, string, then name of array, so in this array we are going to enter some country names like India, then USA, then take one another example of country name which is China. Okay, fine. So this is our static database, and this particular database we are going to use for the AutoCompleteTextview. So basically what we are going to do, from this database, this array, we are passing this data to AutoCompleteTextview. Once you are typing over there in AutoCompleteTextview, if you type I, then it will give the suggestion India from this database. If you type in U, then this AutoCompleteTextview gives you a suggestion of USA, and if you type in C, then it will give you a suggestion of China. So let's implement. So first of all, initialize your AutoCompleteTextview. By this way you can initialize your AutoCompleteTextview. Now initialize your array. We already initialized. Now here one new concept is there, which is called as an array adapter, because we are going to pass the data from array to AutoCompleteTextview. So to pass the data from array to AutoCompleteTextview, the middleman works as an array adapter. So the basic working of array adapter is that it passes the data from the array to the control. So for that purpose we require the array adapter. So to initialize array adapter, like this, you can create object of array adapter. I create AD, then now initialize the array adapter as well. New array adapter, here pass the context and then Android r dot layout dot simple list item 1 and name of the array, which is country. So by this way you can bind the array data to array adapter. So now just only few tasks is remaining. So first task is we have to set now we have to set the data to our AutoCompleteTextView. So we use AV as object of AutoCompleteTextView, and set adapter method we are going to use because this method binds the adapter to the AutoCompleteTextView. So here we just mentioning the name of adapter. Next, AV dot set threshold. So this particular method, threshold is equal to 1. So actually the main basic aim of this method is that if you mention 1 over there, then your AutoCompleteTextView start searching from first character. If you mention 2 over there, then your AutoCompleteTextView search suggestion from the second character, and so on. So for that purpose we require set threshold method. And once again, after completion of threshold method, we once again set the adapter to bind the dynamic data. So like this way we can complete the coding part of AutoCompleteTextView. So now see the output by running the application. Emulator takes some time to run. Once the application deployed into the emulator, you will get the screen over here. So wait for a while. Now your application successfully deployed into the emulator. Now try to search countries. I just press I over here. It will give you a suggestion India, because India is present in your array. Next, if we try to search U, then it will give you a suggestion of USA, because USA is also present in your list. Then C, China is also present in your list. So by this way you can implement the AutoCompleteTextView. Thank you for watching.